Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's Rush from More Reviews. We're back in Portmore with another video. We are at a commercial area in Portmore, right next to the town center, close to the Portmore Community College. That's the Portmore Town Center over that side. So we have Burger King, Captain Bakery, KFC over that side. Apologies for the every wind noise, guys. It's Portmore. It's a lot of breeze. So I'm just gonna show you around this area. The East Tradeway, West Tradeway. They have Maxi over here, Ada Factory. You have Alarica over here, and the Portmore Informatics Center. That's a development for about 4 different call center buildings. So I'm just gonna show you around the area, guys. A few plazas as well. And still a lot of empty land space for further development. A lot of land space for more development as well. So we have JMB down this side. They have Maxi department store beside them. Behind JMB you have Alarica. They have been in the news a lot lately, but we're not here for Alarica and the coronavirus. We're just looking at the developments. Those are some other BPOs as well being developed. I think one of them should be Sutherland Global Services. And then on this side we have some Portmore Center. So quite a few plazas and factories and BPOs over this area. So we have NCB, JMB, over this side you have Maxi department store. Then still a lot of waste land still to be developed. So NCB over here. We have West Tradeway. Then we have Maxi department store on this side. I don't think these guys are getting a lot of business in these time. Plus a lot of persons shop online already. So in terms of department stores in Jamaica, I'm not sure how long those will be able to survive. So just showing you guys a look around the area. And then there's a lot of land over here. I think they use it for driving practice as well. Then that's the highway up there, the Portmore Toll Road. So some persons come over this land to learn to drive. It's right beside the toll road. We have a JUTC bus heading on to the toll. So this area, this land still has a lot of development potential. As I'm showing you, there's a good amount of business already over here. That's KFC by Portmore Mall. So we know we have a lot of business over here. We have call centers, banks, department stores, plaza. But I think there's room for a lot more improvement as well. And then over here is the work site for the call centers, as I realize they're temporarily closed due to coronavirus and other developments, but this is their main site. The only building that was here was this brown and white building. The original building, the Alarica building, was 2 floors, and then they built 3 mega structures. So you have one right here, and then you have 2 on the other side, which I'll show you guys shortly. So 6 months ago, this location would have been buzzing with activity, construction work, just finishing up the other 3 buildings on this complex. This will be a little informatics park, so Portmore Informatics Park, which will have multiple call centers. So that's the aim, and even though work is on pause, that's still the aim. We know Alarica is here. I think Alarica will get that building behind them as well, and I think other companies such as Sutherland Global Services will be coming in as well. And then opposite them would be the back of Maxi Department Store, the back of JMB. So still a lot of potential for this area, guys. This can be a community by itself, a business community with the right development. Remember to definitely share your comment, guys, in terms of what you think about this area, this development. And as I mentioned, this area is the Portmore Informatics Park. So it's been developed for multiple call centers. We know Alarica has been in the news, but they're not the focus right now for this video. It's just showing you guys what's happening in this commercial district. There's a small development here, not sure what they're putting here. Yeah, so this is it, guys. Portmore, another video just showing you guys what's happening. While I can't be everywhere at once, I try to show you guys a little bit of everything that's happening, both in Kingston, Portmore, and the entire Jamaica. And again, guys, let me know your thoughts, your comments, and always thanks for watching. Alright, so that's the sign right there for the Portmore Informatics Park. So a quick look inside. This is one of the side view of the development that's happening. Then this building right here, another very big building, is the Ada Manufacturing Jamaica Limited. They manufacture like tissue, soap, and other laundry and bathroom products. So they have manufacturing companies over here as well. So still a lot of space for development. So these are some of the other call center buildings. This is at least 3 floors. So still a lot of empty land, guys. You guys want to come and invest, come and do some development. This is a prime location, especially with the BPOs as well. And that's Big Y Plaza over there.